New at 5, employees at a North County restaurant caught illegally pouring grease down stormwater drains. They have since been issued citations as officials from the Metropolitan Sewer District say actions like this could cause damage throughout the neighborhood. First Alert 4's Raya Torres spoke to the restaurant about what they are doing to right the wrong.
Two employees caught on camera pouring a pot of grease into their stormwater drain behind this restaurant, Pop's Grill, Fish and Chicken in North County. The video was first posted on social media last Tuesday, gaining thousands of views. One of those views came from the Metropolitan Sewer District, who visited the restaurant the next morning.
I did see evidence of grease being poured into the system, spoke to representatives from the business, figured out what was going on.
Sean Stone from MSD says that 2 notices of violations were issued, one of which was for illegal discharge and disposal to a stormwater drain.
Storm drains or storm inlets are not trash cans. They're designed to collect rainwater that falls on the ground, take it underground, and get it into creeks, streams, lakes, rivers.
Which means that one person's mistake can have consequences on others who also use the same sewer system.
Then that increases the likelihood of flooding and road ponding in that area. Any bit of that part of the system that can't drain, if water can't get through there, then it's going to back up from there.
We went to Pop's and spoke to restaurant manager Mohammed Motan, who admitted that they made a mistake, but there was more to the story.
Our equipment wasn't working and our trap was full, and the company that was supposed to take out our oil wasn't arriving on time.
Motan said for about 2 to 3 days, they decided to pour their grease into the stormwater drain. In correcting their actions, a professional drain cleaning service came to inspect the drain, and they told him this.
So basically, the grease wasn't enough to be able to clog anything up, regardless if it rained or not.
Despite this, Motan says the restaurant will learn from the experience and hopes others don't make the same mistake.
Now we know, yeah, it's wrong and it won't happen again.
So if you're thinking about pouring your leftover grease down one of your sinks or a stormwater drain, don't. Instead, wait for your hot grease to cool down, put it in an empty container, and then toss it into the trash. Reporting live in the newsroom, Raya Torres, First Alert 4.
Raya, thank you.